All right, Kevin, here's a video recap from your lesson on October 1st, 2016. So this is a practice swing first. And your feeling is you're almost trying to feel like there's a laser on the butt end of the club that you're holding on to. And you're trying to get the laser to point more at the target line that traces behind the ball and towards the target. And in the practice swing, you did a very good job. You see how your arm and the shaft, and if I back up just a little bit, how the shaft is coming up to the top. It's not as upright as you normally would have it in your swing. And then as you come back down, you're trying to retrace your steps, leading with your left arm and hand, and then getting the back of your left hand to square or rotate as you approach the golf ball. You're pulling forward, and then you're rotating the back of your left hand. And the shaft might feel like it leans just a little bit forward as you make impact. Now, in the real version, the shaft still wants to get just a fraction up after the takeaway, so you almost have to feel like you're doing the laser feeling a little bit sooner. Here the shaft is still a little bit upright, so the laser could point at the target line sooner, but you do a very good job coming back down of leading with the left arm and hand, letting the back of the left hand rotate, getting the club face to square without tossing it over with your right hand, and then turning through the shot and finishing. A smaller version of that could be if you make a swing that just goes, maybe 9 o'clock or so right here, but have the laser pointing at the target line, and then you would come back in, square the back of your hand, and you can hold the finish to about right here to get the feeling of the extension with your hands and kind of a chipping motion to get the release correct.